Hello, this is Tomoko, New York City hairstylist. I am introducing an easy hairstyle from Japan. If you haven't watched my previous video of Part 1 Braids Half Up, please take a look. Part 2 Twist Half Up. You will prepare 2 silicone rubber bands for this style. Apply the C-style spray to prepare the hair. Separate your hair behind your ears. If you want to have small hair pieces around your face, please separate them before twisting. Comb it back with your hands. Take that section and separate the top part from the bottom part. Bring it to the back and twist the 2 sections together. When you twist, take a few pieces of hair from the back and tie them together with your rubber band. This will secure your hair in the correct position. Let's do the other side. Separate the hair behind the ear and twist it toward the back. When you are twisting it to the back, pick a very small section of hair under the previous twist and twist them together. When you are done, tie up the section. Technique tip: don't tie the second side with the first side that you already tied up. Instead, cross them over with decent lengths between them to form one line. Loosen the hair to style it. When you loosen it, be sure to use your fingertips. Try to hide the rubber band area. If you want to loosen the front hair, pick a few hair pieces using your fingertips. Use an extra mirror to control it better. This is part 2 of a 3-part video series. Tune in next time for part 3, alternating half up. See you next time!